Ambuj Chandna, who's the president of consumer assets at Kotak Mahindra Bank, and he spoke about the sharp surge that we've seen in a trend in home loans and what the outlook is on interest rates for loans which have declined sharply during the lockdown. Listen.
Industry is more digitization up to the sanction stage more aggressively. That's been at two levels. One, I would kind of attribute more to the pandemic to some extent to that, which is the whole, consumers wanting a more contactless experience to some extent, and where the whole journey from applying from a loan to getting a sanction has got digitized, where customers just upload documents. And banks over the period of time have gone for automating the whole credit assessment process, tying up with fintechs, building deep partnership and driving that piece up. I think if you look at that, roughly about 30% of our business now happens through digital processes or digital sanctions right now. And that number kind of seems to grow, and we'll see where it goes from here. But adoption of digital methods of applying for loans is kind of gaining momentum.
Yeah, just excuse that technical glitch there. Analytics, are there any that you've put in place to assess the credibility of potential home buyers?
Yeah, of course. And I talked about that. The whole credit assessment process is increasingly driven through automation and analytics with bureau partnerships, with fintech partnership. The whole focus over the years has been to crunch the turnaround time that we take. The decision time that we take for a loan has to be brought down dramatically. And I think that has played a role. The whole automation of the credit assessment process has played a big role.
And on disbursals, what's the average ticket size, any geographies or anything that you can share with us in terms of what's looking active when it comes to disbursals?
Sure. I think, interestingly, the ticket sizes, if you see over a period of time, have remained relatively constant. That's not changed too much. Initially, we did see more momentum in the retail sector, which is the below 60, 70 lakh kind of a ticket size. But gradually, we've seen even the premium segment picking up. And I think as more inventory is available at the right price, there seem to be buyers in all segments. But we see clear different trends when it comes to cities. When you look at Pune, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, they are obviously doing better in core home loan sales and home loan disbursals versus, say, a Bombay, Delhi, and Bangalore, which have been in certain ways more impacted by the pandemic to some extent.